Cellular respiration is made of stages that causes Krebs and etc. Oxygen doesn't grow on trees, it's an element that's inside of me. CO2 is released as long as me, but first of all, this you got to eat. Glycolysis is the first step. No O2 is needed to start the process. The glucose is broken down to two parts because carbonic acid is the start. Glycolysis occurs from the cytoplasm that takes some energy to get out the chasm. 2 ATP are used to go, while 4 ATP, I'm about to end the show. 2 NAD plus get some electrons to form 2 NADH plus some ions. But in all it takes some enzymes. There are 10 of them in all, but they do not rhyme. The whole but one end in ASE, all except triphosphate, which is an OSE. After this whole process is over, electrons are pulled, ions are made, while 2 pyruvates end this tirade. Cellular respiration is made of stages, glycolysis, Krebs, and etc. Oxygen doesn't grow on trees, it's an element that's inside of me. CO2 releases along with some heat, but first of all, this you got to eat. The second step is the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. But before all this, the pyruvate must enter inside of my mitochondrial center. Electrons are stripped and ions are formed. The pyruvate is transformed. CoA is transferred to the acid, forming acetyl-CoA. That's massive! Into the cycle, the CoA goes just to be released as the cycle grows. Citrate is made to an oxygen. This long cycle has a longer fate. It's only made 3 NADH, 1 ATP, and FADH2 are generated, while some GTP are created. This whole cycle only has 8 long steps, but you're just going to have to do your best. Cellular respiration is made of stages, glycolysis, Krebs, and etc. Oxygen doesn't grow on trees, it's an element that's inside of me. CO2 is released along with some heat, but the first of all this you got to eat.
The third and final step is the ETC, it's the electron transfer chain. You see all NADH starts at the top, and the electrons fall till they stop. Oxygen is only molecule, but it's not like mule. UCO2 is electronegative. It also is very preventative. Without the ETC, we would explode. So all the electrons now are slowed. FADH2 doesn't start from the top. It means it's CoQ at the drop. CoQ is known as ubiquinone, which doesn't have much iron from the way it's shown. Proteins pump H ions over the border and the electrons file down in order. The H ions fall through an enzyme. Luckily, they don't have a deadline. ATP synthesis turns around while phosphate groups are being bound. ATP becomes ATP, which in turn is energy. Cellular respiration is made of stages, glycolysis, Krebs, and etc. Oxygen doesn't grow on trees, it's an element that's inside of me. CO2 is released along with some heat, making 32 ATP from that wheat. What? That was EM Cellular Respiration Rap.